Hello everyone, this is Dave from DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this short video, I'll quickly show you how to find your downloaded files on your Google TV. This is going to be a short and interesting video, so please watch right up to the end, and if you find it helpful, you know what to do. Like, subscribe and share to encourage us to create more videos like this. Without wasting time, let's get into it. So I'm using my Google TV on box, and one thing you need to know about Google TV is that it doesn't have a dedicated feature to find your downloaded applications or downloaded files. So I'll show you the best app to use to do that, which is this application called File Manager. So it is very simple. If you want to find your downloaded files on your Google TV, what you need to do, use this application, and in the application, come over to this option here that says downloads. So if you go over to download over here, you're going to see every file on your Google TV that you download. It can be an APK, it can be a video, it can be music. As long as it was downloaded from the internet, you're going to find them all over here. So for me, I do not have any downloaded files, but if I had downloaded files, you're going to find them here. So this is the best file manager application on your Google TV. And if you're wondering how to install it to your Google TV, it is simple. Just go over to Add App application over here and search for File Manager on your Google Play Store. So go over here, search File Manager, and you're going to find the application, and you can quickly install it to your Google TV. So as I said, for me, this is the best File Manager on Google TV, and here's it over here. You can quickly install it. So use this application to find your downloaded files on your Google TV. That's it about this video. If you find it helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share more important videos like this.